Okay, let's continue. Breaking some supply chain. Great. Let's fuck up these guys. Do do do. Oh fuck. That was a pretty good run. Fuck yes. Got rid of the fucking chopper. Oh wait, where's it? Jesus Christ. Anyway, someone called. Oh, that's the good stuff. Let's see if we can find. Oh, there it is. That spike, you do not want to land on that if the tides are high. Or if someone else is high. A plastic flamingo. A plastic flamingo. And a plastic flamingo. Flamingos are weird. Yeah, there's the kite. Are you are the fucking piece of shit that I've been looking for? You are such a bitch. Bikini top. It's probably dry by now. Wait, was that a bikini top? Yeah, that's a bikini bottom. No, bikini bottom's never dry. And I've never watched SpongeBob, so I don't really know what else to say about that. Who even came up with that name? Actually, I don't want to know. A favor. Oh, are we finally soon done with these fucking missions? Oh, yes, it's this mission. Oh! This one, and this is the second to last mission in this place. So, awesome. I thought there was more, but apparently not. Ram, bitch! Just need some sticks of dynamite, like explosives. We should be done with this. I could also take it the other way, where I just take some, where I just take it over to some of the turrets. But no, thank you. I'm not doing that. Fuck. Almost didn't make it. And I didn't make it. So, how does that make any fucking sense? Oh, now I know why they gave me cable. It's if the others got uncoupled. Oh. Oh! I haven't seen this! Because most people just don't go over here. Wait, what? There's a fucking minigun here. I transported the fucking minigun. Any other secrets? Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah! Like that's stupid. Oh yeah. Bitch! Anyways, I got my bombs. Suicide squad, suicide bomb squad. Another one, motherfuckers! Into your ass. Straight up there. Straight and then straight up. It's called up, up, and away. Oh. Yep. I destroy all the evidence. You were being here, you know. No, they're just here, they were like, what the? Anyways. It's just a prank, bro. Okay. Final mission. Demonstrate back. Yep. Okay, so that was actually the final mission. Now we're back. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No! It's flying! They can't make turning cars in this game. Now this is something of an entrance. Now that's something. What? Oh, yeah. Ow. Fucking hell. Got the sniper. Yeah. Why didn't it show me that when I got the sniper? Not now. It's like stupid. Look at the guts. Oh yeah, and upstairs. My question is, how the hell did we get the radio upstairs before we even got home? Oh, I probably just sent it. Breakthrough. Okay, guys. So I was gonna show this this clip of me playing the game, this mission. Where I'm going to Fierstrom and I'm supposed to steal this vehicle. Well, I'm still gonna show it, but the problem was the first time I played for about an hour, maybe a little bit more, and I just rage quit. I think I played and then I didn't want to, and then the next day I tried to do it again and I didn't want to. So later that day I just did it. So I'm gonna show that clip instead of the, you know, the clip that, well, the original clip. So I hadn't made any progress also. Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of Teardown. So yeah, today we're gonna continue on with where I left off. Now I did try to play this I don't know if I'm gonna leave it in or not. I don't think I am, because I said a lot of shit. A lot of stupid shit. But, yeah. But I'm gonna try again, because I kind of just gave up. Back to Fyrstrom. It was 3 objectives, but Jesus Christ, it was difficult. Now I think I have a better solution of doing this. So let me just take a look. There's no vehicles there. Could take it up here, then drive all the way back there, and then just back up with it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. So first off, we need to clear out all of this debris. There we go. So last time I kind of fucked up with a bunch of shit. So first now we quick save. Then we don't throw anything else in the river. For good reason. Because I found out those those boats are very easy to tip over. The ones with the items that we need. And I cannot get the crane low enough so I can get it up, which means that we cannot make it or get it to fall in the water. We cannot lose it to the water. And yes, I even tried with that dump truck over there, or whatever it's called. Oh. Yep. How to fly. Impressive that water should technically not be flowing, because they should have turned off all the water because of the pipes freezing. Maybe they are used to the thick ice, so they've probably built stronger pipes. I don't know. And we just cut down that sign as well. Throw this, and then we just get a little bit of this, and then we also just take the sign and we just throw it right over here. Oh, that's nice. Nicely up against there. Huh. Anyways, now let's try to make this thing turn. Let's first get this bridge up. Destroy the ice. Very important work. So that the vehicle can drive nice and easily without tipping over. That thing has been cut off. Oh. Okay, no falling in the water. Get out, don't get back in, so we can turn around. Also, this breaks the ice for the other one, so we can take it all the way back and not do as much. Now I'm gonna quick save, so if this thing tips over, we have saved the progress. Difficult, but we must do it. We have to destroy the ice and get all the way on the other side. Oh. Okay, what the hell just happened? Is it the box? Fine, destroy it. Stop crying about it and just get on with the work. There. Now you stay up. Don't want solution. Not in any way, shape, or form. Salamen gumandula vivio. Någon som kunstocken och sliver. Och min la full och valskott rim mi valdoman. Lyckele på stena lojskarun. Era kalite lyckelig karaktär valmi. Inte over. Vad var det där? Abla stede. Oh yeah. No, not in the water. Now last time I threw that in the water, but I don't want to risk. I don't want to risk anything, so I'm just gonna send that straight over there. Okay. Then also straight that, and this, and this, and that. Just being a little annoying. Oh yeah. Now we lift this up. Wait. Oh, ooh. That's expensive. This was not what I intended, but good work. Just need to destroy this and that. Now we can get up here. Didn't help at all. Didn't help at all. Get me out. Get me out. Don't, not back in that hole. Now we're turn around. Now that our health is restored, we can now turn around and pull it backwards. Be very, very, very careful with this thing. This thing is very fucking heavy. Not sinking. Ah, yes! The drivable vehicle is now above, and we can finally lift it. Getting the doomsday fucking device off. And it's right near one of these, and we just lift. Not my problem. There we go. Let me just drive this thing backwards. Oh fuck. Yeah. Going greatly. Yep. It's going great. Absolutely amazing. Taking out all the lights. Perfect. Let's make a good U-turn. Now turn left or right. I don't know. People are like, well, this tornado did a lot more severe storm than I saw on the news. And they're like, oh no, some guy just came and stole all of our military gear. Did you say a guy? Didn't you mean like a team? No, not a team. Just a simple guy. Yep, a guy. Yeah, he's just a normal, regular guy supposed to work in from teardown, nuclear teardown services. Nuclear teardown services. Yes. And he took down your what's? He took down everything. What's? Okay, there was not really much to tear down. He just mostly just broke and like just transported a little bit and not just broke. Expensive. Now let's drive backwards again. Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to turn that thing. The center mass is just all off. It doesn't work. Wait, was it the front that we drove before, or? Expensive. Now I could take it, or I could go back for the wheels. Yes, you heard me say that right. Wheels. I'm going back for the wheels. Come on, let's fucking drive. Not actually. I think we have wheels at home. Yeah, I think we actually have some wheels at home, so I don't really think I have to, yeah, just go home. Don't really see anything in there, but okay. Ah, snowballs! Okay, this is what you do if you really just hate someone. Like, if this is how snowball fights worked in real life, and the other one was like, But then the master comes. And then they're like, well, we get it. We give the fuck up. What if we just do a little bit like pranking? It was just a prank, bro! Well, that's that. And I'm like, guys, I have to drive out for a quick work. Oh no! Our snowman! It's broken! I don't know why I have that much shit here. Oh yeah, I'm a teardown service, that's all I Treadmill, you're not going anywhere. You guys can have your fun now. Dun 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 dun. Let's take a look at this, how many snowballs I'm actually throwing. Yeah, that's a good amount. Yeah, that's a good chunk. Oh, that's a good satisfying sound. Wow. My powers are so strong there's snow inside. Aww, there's nothing. Final touch. Well, we're gonna have to be stealth because there is robots in there. Yes, I said that right. Robots. Not Wall-E robots, though. That would have been weird. Need to wait here for a little while. Oh, fuck yes. Okay, quick saving here, so we always have to save. Okay, let's check out. Is it oh, fuck. Just gonna take 2 more. Just 2 more. Sadly, you can't move that crane. That would be pretty useful, but you can't. So that's sadly something. Okay, so I couldn't beat the challenge where I should never get spotted by a robot in an entire mission. So I couldn't beat that, but I don't know, maybe some other mission, but just not this one. Just not this one. I slid a bit. How's that possible? That's not possible to slide right between that. There's a pillar there. I don't think they thought about that very well. Okay, what my other best option? Something high up. So I need to get up there again. So yeah. So we'll say, oh, we're going back. Oh yeah, there's a lot of missions in this. I forgot, completely forgot. I think we're gonna take a break.